Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to teach some holistic remedies for people who are suffering from stress and anxiety.
If you are looking for ways to boost your physical fitness
and overall well-being, you have come to the right place. When it comes to managing stress and anxiety, holistic remedies can be beneficial in promoting overall well-being. Here are some holistic approaches you can consider. Mindfulness and meditation. Practice mindfulness and meditation to cultivate a sense of calm and awareness. It involves focusing your attention on the present moment, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. Deep breathing exercises. Engage in deep breathing exercises, such as diaphragmatic breathing or the 4-7-8 technique. These techniques promote relaxation and can help regulate your body's stress response. Regular exercise. Engaging in physical activity, such as walking, jogging, yoga, or dancing, can help reduce stress and anxiety. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Herbal remedies. Some herbal remedies, such as chamomile, lavender, passion flower, and valerian root, are known for their calming properties. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or herbalist before using any herbal remedies, especially if you have underlying health conditions or take medications. Aromatherapy. Use essential oils, such as lavender, bergamot, or ylang ylang, to create a calming atmosphere. You can diffuse them, add them to a bath, or use them for massage. Balanced diet. Maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid excessive caffeine and sugar, as they can contribute to anxiety symptoms. Adequate sleep. Establish a regular sleep routine and ensure you get enough restful sleep. Lack of sleep can exacerbate stress and anxiety, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Social support. Connect with supportive friends, family, or a support group. Sharing your feelings and concerns with others can provide comfort and perspective. Stress management techniques. Explore stress management techniques like journaling, practicing gratitude, or engaging in creative activities like art or music. These activities can help you express emotions and reduce stress. Time management and self-care. Organize your time effectively, prioritize self-care activities, and set realistic goals. Taking time for yourself and engaging in activities you enjoy can help reduce stress levels. Herbal teas. Sip on calming herbal teas like chamomile, passion flower, lemon balm, or peppermint. These teas can promote relaxation and help ease anxiety. Progressive muscle relaxation. Practice progressive muscle relaxation, where you systematically tense and then relax each muscle group in your body. This technique can help release physical tension and promote relaxation. Acupuncture. Consider trying acupuncture, an ancient Chinese therapy that involves inserting thin needles into specific points on the body. It is believed to rebalance the flow of energy and promote relaxation. Yoga and Tai Chi. Engage in gentle and slow-moving exercises like yoga or Tai Chi. These practices combine movement, breath control, and meditation, providing physical and mental relaxation. Massage therapy. Schedule a massage session to relieve muscle tension and promote relaxation. Massage can also help improve sleep quality and reduce anxiety symptoms. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. Seek therapy with a trained professional who specializes in CBT. CBT helps identify and change negative thought patterns and behaviors associated with stress and anxiety. Nature and outdoor activities. Spend time in nature, whether it's going for a walk in the park, hiking, or gardening. Connecting with nature has a calming effect on the mind and body. Music and sound therapy. Listen to calming music, nature sounds, or use sound therapy techniques like binaural beats or singing bowls. These can help induce relaxation and reduce stress. Supplements. Certain supplements like omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium, and vitamin B complex may support a healthy nervous system and reduce anxiety symptoms. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine appropriate dosages and suitability for you. Visualization and guided imagery. Practice guided imagery, or visualization exercises where you imagine yourself in a peaceful and serene environment. This can help shift your focus and reduce anxiety. Thank you for watching and please hit the subscribe button. If this video helps you, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends.